Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers and students. Hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, you are all fine along with your family crews. Dear students, may the grace of Allah be with you, protect you always from any harm. My best wishes and good luck is always with you. Have faith in your dreams always, as only then you can reach your destination. I pray to Almighty your new venture today bring you success and happiness to your life. May good fortune smile on you today as you begin new adventure. Today, my topic is related to capital structure, and in this chapter, we will discuss meaning of capital structure, then types of capital structure, and features of capital structure. First of all, what is capital structure? The capital structure is the particular combination of debit and equity used by a company to finance its overall operation and growth. Debit comes in the form of bond issues or loans, while equity may come in the form of common stock, preferred stock, obtained earnings, and short-term debt. Such working capital requirements is also coordinated to both, that is, capital structure. Both debit and equity can be formal on the balance sheet. Company assets also listed on the balance sheet are purchased with the debit and equity. This capital structure can be mixture of companies' long-term, short-term debt, common stock, and preferred stocks. This was the brief explanation about the meaning of capital structure. Now, we will discuss the types of capital structure. There are two types of capital structure. Number one is simple capital structure, and number two is complex capital structure. So, first of all, let us explain simple capital structure. A simple capital structure is a capital structure that contains no potentially dilute securities. Such companies are only required to report basic earnings per share, that is EPS. Examples of potentially dilutive securities include convertible preferred stocks, convertible debts, stock option, and other warrants. So this was simple capital structure. Now, what is complex capital structure? A corporate capital structure that contains securities other than state debt and stock. This a firm that has securities outstanding such as convertible bonds, convertible preferred stocks, options, rights, or warrants is said to have complex capital structure. So these were the two types of capital structure. Now we will discuss the features of capital structure. Here I have drawn a diagram. The features of capital structure. Number one is maximum return. Number two is less risky. Number three is flexibility. Number four is safety. Number fifth is economy. Number sixth is capacity. And number seven is control. So let us discuss one by one. First of all, we will discuss what is first feature, that is maximum returns. The financial structure of a company should be guided by a clear-cut objectives. Its objective can be maximization of the wealth of the shareholders or maximization of returns to the shareholders. Number two objective is less risky. The capital structure should represent a balance between different types of ownership and debit securities. This is essential to reduce risk on the use of debit capital. Number three is flexibility. Dear students, a sound capital structure should ensure safety of investment. It should be determined that fluctuations in the earnings of the company do not strain on its financial structure. Number four is safety. A sound this capital structure should facilitate expansion and contraction of funds. The company should be able to procure more capital in times of need and should be able to pay all its debts when it does not require funds. This was number fifth. And now we will discuss number sixth, that is number fifth, that is economy. We have discussed maximum return, less risky, flexibility, and number four, the safety. And we will discuss now number fifth feature, that is economy. The capital structure should ensure the minimum cost of capital, which in turn would increase its ability to generate more wealth for the company. Number six feature is, that is capacity. The financial structure of a company should be dynamic. It should not be static. It should be revised periodically depending upon the change in the business conditions. If it has surplus funds, the company should have the capacity to repay its debt and reduce interest obligations. And the last feature is, that is control. The capital structure of a company should not dilute the control of equity shareholders of the company. That is why convertible debentures should be issued with growth caution. So these were the 7 features of capital structure which I have explained here. Dear students, I think this was all for today. I hope you will listen to my lecture carefully and feedback me accordingly on my link shared. Before leaving, I want to share some thought with you. Words can inspire, thoughts can provoke, but only action truly brings you close to your dreams. What it means? Words and thoughts can be inspirational, but until you take the first step, you must motivate yourself. Otherwise, your dream will just remain a dream. This is all for today. Best of luck and so kind of you.